Okay, let me review the macOS Big Sur uh, in a heavy iTunes user. So in the beginning, I am quite afraid to upgrade to Big Sur or Catalina, not only because they they killed the 32 bits application. The main concern is Apple killed iTunes. I am a iTunes heavy user. I have tons of music collection and movie collection and it's installed in the iTunes. So I'm kind of free. But I realize sooner or later I will have to adapt. So, and no choice. I did a clean install of this Big Sur. So this is the result. So the number one priority after you install is, of course, copy back all your important documents. My second priority, of course, is to set up those new apps, those the sons and daughters of the iTunes. Basically, iTunes has been split into multiple apps. So this is one of them. The main one is the music, TV, podcasts, books, and Finder. Okay, so let's talk about music app. So this is my original iTunes, and one of them, the iTunes library. iTunes library have many things in it. You have iPhone application, you have music, you have TV, you have movies, you have podcasts, you have iTunes University, iTunes U or something like that. A lot of things, and Apple thinks this is bloated and uh, not good for the new user. Yes, I agree. Uh, okay, so let's adapt. So for the new music app, if it's just like iTunes, you can hold the Option key to open it. It will say choose one library or open library or create a new library. So if you are iTunes user, you can choose library, which is open the old iTunes library. You can choose open and it will ask you save. It means save to the new format, save to the new music library format. Okay, you save. You save to your, usually if you are a heavy iTunes user, you will not put your music movies in your local drive. You will put in your external hard drive. So I put into the external hard drive here. So I already did that, so I don't repeat. Uh, so this is the new music library. It looks like this. Uh, this is the old one, the iTunes library. So after you did that, you will saw the music app opens and just look like your iTunes music interface, which is good. And then you will find sooner you will find the thing is it doesn't have the animation. Okay, so it will look like this. So in the old iTunes, it will expand this icon and all the tracks will be displayed. But in the music app, no, it will become just like a new page. Uh, it's okay. It's okay. I cannot say it's too bad. Uh, Other things is here. Here is the iTunes store. And this is the iTunes store. You can still buy individual songs. And this is one-time payment. You will own the track. It's not like Apple Music. Of course, Apple want to use Apple Music. I think they think this can make more money, but this thing I don't like because I know this is cloud-based service. The music is in the cloud and not in your hard drive. I want my music in my hard drive. Even AppleTV can play my music. So I love iTunes. I don't like Apple Music because iTunes is offline and it's not encrypted. Even Apple dies, I can still play the music. Okay. Okay. One another things you will realize is if you check where is the music, this one I already migrate all of my music into the new music library. But if you just open the older iTunes library, all the music will be in the actual music file, MP3 and N4A and maybe the AAC, ALAC file is still in the iTunes library. So that means all your database configuration file is in the music library, but the actual file is still in the iTunes library. I think you can do this one, like library, organize library, and consolidate files. I think it will start to copy all the music from the old position to the new position. So after that, you don't need to care about this anymore. And iTunes Match still work, and I'm an iTunes Match user, so it will continue to work. The only bad things I notice is the only bad thing is the ringtone. The ringtone. The ringtone is gone. The ringtone part is gone. Uh, in the iTunes, you can manage ringtone and sync to iPhone, but now the ringtone is gone. Maybe I still keep some of my tone manually inside this library. But this guy lose the functionality of managing the ringtone. This is bad things. So how you install ringtone? Install this ringtone into a phone is drag to a phone. I think drag to a phone. It's not in the interface anymore. Other than this, other than this is when you do the consolidate file, I think it will took a lot of time. It need to process the information one by one. Basically, it's very, very slow. It's very, very slow. I don't know if it's my global issue because the global is hard drive, not the SSD. Maybe in SSD will be faster, but for my case, it's extremely slow. I don't know whether it's the music app issue or the global issue. It took me half days to copy all the musics. That's it. And let's see there's another one. In iTunes, there's a feature called what? Home sharing. I think it's home sharing. Basically, you can stream your music, your movies on your hard drive. And the iTunes will acting like a media server and allow you to stream to iPad, iPhone, or Apple TV. The functionality is still there, but it's not in this app anymore. So it's become a system function. It's become a system function. It is here in the sharing. So under sharing, you will see this media sharing. So in this media sharing, you just click. So it will share your TV, music, and others to iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. So this one is good because you don't need to keep your music or TV app open like the older iTunes. You have to keep iTunes open to acting like a server. Okay, then the TV app. The TV app is the same. It's same. You can hold down the Option key and open the TV app. You say open the older iTunes library. It will ask you to save another new TV library. You can consolidate files too if you have a movie collection. So this is, you see it's in library. This is the library one. So the thing you see here is offline. It's in my hard drive, not somewhere in the cloud. You see, this is in my hard drive. This is in my hard drive, not somewhere in the cloud, which is good. The same issue is once you want to copy the movie files from your iTunes library or somewhere else to the TV library or TV library, it's painfully slow. I don't know if it's this TV app's issue or this Drobo issue. It's painfully slow. It took me one full day to copy all the movies and TV shows. Maybe I have some of them, but it took me one full day. It's painfully slow. If you are the Morgan folks, you maybe realize my website is down. It is because I'm doing the upgrade and copying all the files here and there. So another functionality, of course, is the iOS device management. So the iOS look like the phone is look like this. You can still back up locally. You can sync music, TV, podcasts, audiobooks, just like before, except that there's nowhere you can see sync ringtone. No, you don't have ringtone option anymore. You just drag M4R files directly onto this iPhone and it will copy over. Another thing is maybe the podcasts. Actually, I'm not a heavy user of the podcasts. Okay, I just I will show you. The podcast looks like this. It doesn't have a kind of local library. I don't know where they save all those downloaded files. Let's see if this one, where is it? Save an episode, copy links. Actually, I don't know where it is. Maybe somewhere in your boot driver. I think it will be in your boot driver, not in your external hard drive. Maybe we can try open the podcast by hold down the Option key. No, nothing happens. So the bad thing is your audiobooks. So you can only choose library, but you cannot create a library. That means the library of the audiobooks is fixed. It's inside your, I think it's inside your username, library, some kind of book agent, something like that. It's hide very, very deep. It's in your local SSD, not in the external hard drive. If you have huge audiobook collection, it will be very painful for you. I think you will have to abandon this books app for managing your audiobook because it's not feasible. Uh, okay, this is your audiobook and other book also. You cannot copy those book actual file to external hard drive. It's inside your local SSD, I think, which is not good. Okay, this is, I think this is it. This is it. Uh, this is how iTunes looks like in Big Sur or Catalina by split iTunes into multiple apps. If you are still afraid, I think this will answer your questions, and you can judge whether you want to move forward or not. Okay, thanks for watching.